Abdullah dough kneader 5 kg AE221 being checked and packed for Daraz order on December 13th, 2023. This is the 5 kg model and it has very low noise. As you can see, the machine is okay from all the sides. It comes with a metal blade, a warranty booklet and measuring flask. We'll show you from the back also. There are no damages. Now we'll show you from the bottom also. It is absolutely okay, and now we'll start the machine. The machine has started. It will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. It can easily knead dough within 3 to 5 minutes. This very famous brand Abdullah in Pakistan for Aata Goondhne ki machines. As you can see, the timer has reached the off position and it has automatically switched off the machine. It is now okay to be packed for Daraz. This is the carton.